Welcome on my channel Drawing by Aqsa. Hello kids. Hello kids. Today coloring with me. See, I am doing red color here of and wow. Coloring kids with me step by step. This brown color in beak of hand and other part of body I am doing yellow color. Now kids coloring with me step by step. It's very easy doing coloring in a sketch of hand. Page for hand. Now orange color in other part of hand body. With cute cartoon hands. Page